Hey there planner friends, this is Amy and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my weekly spread for the week of January 4th, and the theme this week that I'm going to be following is Fresh Start. So I decided that this watercolor goal sticker book would be perfect for that, helps me stay focused on my goals that I've been setting for the year, and then also brings in some fresh bright colors that go perfectly with this Fresh Start theme. If you're new to my channel, welcome. This is Beloved Plans, and this channel is for anyone who is looking to get more organized in their finances, productivity, business, and day-to-day life. So let's get started. So I did do a little bit of pre-planning ahead of time since I'm working with a theme. These are just a few of the stickers that I'm going to use. It's not how I'm going to really lay them out at all, but I did want to at least pull a few to start and give me a good jumping off point. Okay, so to get started, I wanted to do this habit tracker over on the left side. I have some like new morning routine habits that I'm really hoping to hone in on, and I think that'll be a great place to track them. I haven't used this sticker book in quite some time, so I'm just kind of re-familiarizing myself with some of the stickers. I really like these layered boxes that they have in there since I use so many boxes in my spreads. Those are going to come in really handy. They have some with one box or shape on there, some with two, and some with three. So those are perfect for this spread. And I really love with the vertical spread how all the stickers just line up perfectly. I do like overlapping them sometimes over the lines as I did there on the 10th. So I'm just going to be layering. I think that Embrace the Journey sticker will be really pretty over this yellow. Yes, I love how that turned out. So now I'm just going to start putting down some different sections for to-do lists. This sticker book had really cute little like check mark icons or things that I can use for to-do list markers. I'm going to put this green today sticker over here. I'm going to use these gold triangles to make a little to-do list. I always like having 3 when I do a to-do list. It's kind of like my top 3 for the day kind of thing. Put 3 more there. And then next, there are these X's that are just a bunch of different really soft pastel colors. So I'm going to cut them and just kind of line them up next to some of the straight edges on these box stickers. This one I'm going to lay underneath the teal box. There's so many beautiful stickers in here. I love that, and it matches the one over on the 10th. So now I am looking for just like a decorative one. That one doesn't really work so good. There's so many in here. It's so crazy. A lot of flipping happening today. Sorry, guys. Maybe this Good Vibes would be cute over here. No, it's too summery, I think, for January. Just happiness. No. All right, I'm going to go back to more of these X's. Yeah, that looks much better there. Kind of brings it all together. I don't want something too bright and bold there. So I'm going to cut this down. And again, line it up to the edge. So it looks like they're peeking out from behind those stickers. Got some more of those. Going to kind of balance them all around the edges of the spread here. So now I'm going to start writing some of my things in for the week. I have 3 appointments Monday, so I've got those written in there. I do like to try to show you guys my after the pen a little bit so you can see that I'm actually using the planner the way it's intended to be used. A lot of times I won't put my to-dos in yet just because I sometimes don't know what those are going to be until later in the week. Okay, now I'm going to write over here my morning routine and the things I really want to try to focus on making sure I do every single day. So I've got hand lettering, my faith planner, my Bible study, fasting to 1 meal a day, and prayer. And with that, I love how this spread turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'd love to hear your comments down below, and I will see you guys next time.